Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Power BI on your Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for Power BI download, and the first link which will appear here will be from microsoft.com/Power BI /download. So I'm going to click on this link which will redirect me to this web page. Now here, when you scroll little bit down, you can see how you can download Power BI on your desktop, on mobile, and on other platforms. We want to download the Power BI for our desktop. So we are going to click on this link, which is under Power BI desktop. And once you click on this desktop, you can see it redirects us to the Microsoft Store. So I'm going to click on open Microsoft Store, and it's going to open the Microsoft Store and it's going to show you the Power BI result there. So you can see in our Microsoft Store you can download the Power BI. Now if this doesn't happen for you, then you can also search for Microsoft Store in the search bar. So just search for Microsoft Store here and you will see this option. And once Microsoft Store opens, you can just search for Power BI here and you will see this result. Now here you will see this get button. So I'm going to click on this get button here. And now I just need to wait for a few seconds until this download is finished. So once the Power BI is downloaded, you will see this open button here. So I'm going to click on this open button and I can minimize this Microsoft Store window and my browser also. And you can see Power BI is launching. And now you can see Power BI has been launched on my Windows 11 operating system. So here I can either open my recent project if I have any, or I can start with the blank report. So when I click on the blank report here, it's going to open this kind of interface for Power BI. And from here you can import data from Excel, or you can import data from SQL Server, or you can simply paste your data from here. So this is how you can install Power BI on your Windows 11 operating system and start using it. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.